The 2013 Lamborghini Aventador by Al and Eds Autosound. The Lamborghini Aventador is one of the most heavily tuned supercars in the market, and rightfully so. One aftermarket company that has made waves recently for its projects is Al and Eds Autosound. Though not as famously known as other companies, Al and Eds has produced a list of fine programs for vehicles like the Lamborghini Murcielago, the Porsche Panamera Turbo, and the Aston Martin DBS Volante. Recently, Al and Eds took a crack at the Aventador, giving it a new aero kit and a modest performance tune that gives the mighty Italian supercar a little extra juice. The first trick was to give the Aventador a new body kit, which Al and Eds succeeded in doing with new body panels made from carbon fiber. A larger apron with bigger air inlets was installed, as was a new front lip with its own daytime driving lights. There are also new front wings, a new hood with air inlets, a new carbon fiber diffuser that is integrated into the new carbon fiber rear apron, and a carbon fiber rear wing. After doing all that, Al and Eds coated the carbon fiber panels with a bright orange paint, thus establishing the wicked look of this raging bull. From there, the work went to the supercar's 6.5-liter V12 engine, which was tuned to produce 754 horsepower, an increase of 54 ponies from the standard 700 horsepower output of the Aventador. With those upgrades in tow, it wouldn't surprise us the least if this tuned Lambo can clock a top speed of over 220 miles per hour. Click past the jump to read a few things about the Aventador. Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. As Lamborghini's current flagship supercar, the Aventador LP 700-4 is considered as one of the most sought-after exotics in the market today. Hardly a surprise considering the model it succeeded, the Murcielago, was pretty popular as well. But the Aventador is really on another level compared to its predecessor. For one, it was designed along the same lines as the Reventon, an ultra-limited edition Lambo that has become more legendary in its own right. As far as powertrain goes, the Aventador carries a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produced an impressive 700 horsepower and 509 pound-feet of torque, good enough for the supercar to hit 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds with a top speed of 217 miles per hour.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.